We're at VidCon and things are about to get creative. Today, I'm teaming up with Natalie for a DIY makeup challenge with limited supplies, unpredictable twists, and a whole lot of fun. Will we slay the look or create a total beauty disaster? Let's find out. DIY beauty, the natural glow up. Beauty is everywhere. We see it in magazines, we see it on social media. But real beauty comes from within. It starts with you. And guess what? You can even make your own beauty products. DIY beauty is fun and easy. It's about feeling good inside and out. Natural ingredients are amazing for your skin. They nourish and protect, plus they're gentle. This means fewer breakouts and irritations. DIY beauty is about embracing your natural beauty, flaws and all. Remember, everyone is beautiful in their own way. DIY beauty is about having fun. It's about expressing yourself, and it's about feeling confident in your own skin. So, are you ready to unleash your inner beauty scientist? Let's get mixing. Let's start with the base foundation. Making your own foundation is easier than you think. It's like baking a cake for your face, but way healthier. Imagine a world where your makeup is actually good for your skin. That's the magic of DIY beauty. One of my favorite DIY foundation recipes uses shea butter. Shea butter is a natural moisturizer. It makes your skin soft and supple. Add a bit of argan oil for extra glow. Don't forget aloe vera gel. It soothes and calms the skin. For color, try cocoa powder and a touch of cinnamon. These natural ingredients blend beautifully for a flawless finish. You can adjust the shades to match your skin tone perfectly. Remember, DIY beauty is all about experimenting and having fun. So go ahead, channel your inner mixologist and create a foundation that's uniquely you. Now let's talk about defining those beautiful features. Eyebrows frame your face. You can enhance them naturally with a simple DIY tint. Activated charcoal and cocoa powder work wonders. They create a subtle tint that lasts all day. For a natural eyeliner, look no further than beeswax. Melt it down and apply with a thin brush. It defines your eyes without any harsh chemicals. Plus, it's waterproof. Perfect for those emotional days or a dip in the pool. Blush and contouring can be done naturally too. Cinnamon is your secret weapon. A touch on the apples of your cheeks gives you a rosy glow. Use a bit more on the hollows of your cheeks for a subtle contour. And for a luminous highlighter, try crushed pearl powder mixed with water. It creates a dewy, radiant finish that catches the light beautifully. Remember, DIY beauty is all about enhancing, not masking your natural beauty. Finally, let's add a pop of color to those lips. Making your own lipstick is surprisingly easy and fun. You can create any shade you desire. Remember those old crayons lying around? They're perfect for this. Choose your favorite color, melt it down with some coconut oil, and voila! You have a creamy, pigmented lipstick. You can experiment with different oils like almond oil or jojoba oil. They add moisture and nourishment to your lips. Add a drop of peppermint essential oil for a refreshing tingle. DIY beauty is about embracing your creativity and expressing yourself. So go bold, experiment with colors, and find your perfect pout. If you love fun beauty challenges, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Glowenvy adventures. See you in the next one!